Hey guys, I did not see too many videos or tutorials or reviews on this Harley windshield. It's made by Harley Davidson, or at least distributed by them. It seems like it was based on the reviews on the internet, a good solid windshield that if you just knew how to install, it would be good to go. Again, this is a 883 Harley. I believe this is a 2003. I might be wrong. But you can see this windshield fits on here like a glove. Like it's made for it. It has the eyebrow cut out. So if you are looking for an 883 windshield, I would highly recommend this. And this is the final product. This thing is pretty sweet. I didn't wipe it off. Also, important note, when you're installing these brackets, see how they're facing? This one's fucked up. So I cross-threaded. See how nice and neat this one looks? It's all nice and straight. This one, it's easy to cross-thread. So I got a new one that I'm ordering. But yeah, pretty sweet. Feels like it will probably block, most of your chest and head if you're a short person.